How to turn off NSFW on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off NSFW on Twitter, or how you can turn off sensitive contents on Twitter. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Twitter application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is scroll down and head into settings and support. Under settings and support, you want to tap on settings and privacy. Now once here, what you want to do is you can see various options on the screen, right? You want to head into the option privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety, you can see the third option that says content you see. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the option that says display media that may contain sensitive content. This is the NSFW setting. You can either disable this or enable this from here. So this way you can turn off NSFW or sensitive content on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.